Ugh, my hair always gets so messy from doing this. Ugh. Hair in my mouth, hair everywhere. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you live somewhere like me, who are struggling in this heat like I am, I think it's like 80 something degrees outside right now. It definitely feels like that in here. Decided to go with minimal makeup for that reason, because I feel like anything I put on my face is just gonna melt right off. So today marks the return of another Stitch Fix unboxing onto my channel. It's been a few months since I've done Stitch Fix. I believe it was January the last time I got one. That time I did keep something. I've worn it a few times, really like it. This time they reached out to me via mail, like this little brochure that I had gotten in the mail that offered to waive the styling fee once again if I ordered like before a certain date. And let's be honest, when it comes to free things, I'm reliable like Japanese trains. And so here we are today with this new arrival. And in the interest of getting out of this stuffy room as quickly as possible, let's just get started right away on this. I did again try to request no bottoms because I have a lot of pants right now. Let's see how they did. What is this? Celebrate with a gift card. Mother's Day, Father's Day, graduation. This is outdated. Let's open up the jewelry first. This is a bigger box than I've received in the past. I wonder if that means anything. Oh my gosh, this is really cute. Okay. Oops, that's the back. This is the front. Here we go. This is called the Bancroft Jaden Spear Statement Necklace in silver. So if you've been following along in this video series, you'll know that I've been looking for silver statement necklaces. They sent me a gold statement necklace, which I really liked. I think that was like over a year ago now. It's crazy how long that's been. But I've been looking for a silver one since then. They've tried sending me a few. I didn't really like any of them. This one actually does feel like it is a similar like weight to the other one. So we'll see how it looks when I put it on. It does look promising though. I do like the design of it and how it fans out, and it's kind of like that bib style. It doesn't slide along the whole chain like this. There's like stop points right here and right here. So you won't get that awkward like clasp running around to the front issue. Not bad. The length of this chain seems a little bit short to me. It is on the longest loop in the back. That can be easily fixed with a chain extender, so it's not that big of a deal. It is a little bit on the heavy side, not nearly as heavy as one of the other ones I've tried on. It's got water all over my lap. Great. Anyway, moving on to the clothes. Cute. Okay. First up, it's a kind of high neck sleeveless top with this embroidered flower print. It has this little ruffle detail down at the bottom. One thing I want to note initially off the bat is that it does look a little see-through when you hold it up to the light. Hello there. If it looks like see-through on the skin, which it doesn't always when you actually put these on, that might be problematic in terms of practicality. But honestly, like right now, in this 80-degree room, this looks really comfy, so I like that a lot. Next, off the shoulder top, it is by the brand JELLA. Not jealousy the word, JELLA, like Jello with an A and C. It's this full lace material with a beige cream colored underlay, and the bottom is scalloped lace. Obviously, off-the-shoulder tops are not really practical for me in terms of clinic and work, but a fun thing for weekends and going out like at night and stuff. In terms of clothes, I had specifically asked for tops that could go from work to like happy hour, easy to transition, dress up and dress down. I think it's especially hard to achieve in the summer in terms of what I already have in my wardrobe, because you want to wear things that are light and breezy, but that's not always appropriate for work. I wanted to see with those instructions what my stylist could do. This next one is Violets and Roses, and it's a cold shoulder top that is even more see-through than the other one. Well, maybe the print is distracting from it. Cream and navy polka dot print over a sort of burnt red color, which is nice that it's not like so bright red or like bright orange red, because that is like a summer color but hard to match sometimes. Pretty cute, has like a high neck collar and a button in the back and just this kind of sleeve. think it's a little bit of a high-low. Yeah, it's a little bit longer in the back than the front. Last one is by West Key, or West, I never knew how to say this. What is this? It's West KEI, and it is the Julianne tie front blouse, coral color, vertical stripes, longer short sleeve, like a more elbow length sleeve, a tie that I guess can either go in the front or the back. The material is definitely this sort of crepe like material more. I haven't always had the best luck with this material, but I am optimistic about these. So yeah, let's go try them on then, shall we? First of all, feels great right now because get to air out. I do like the print. There's something like very boxy about it that doesn't really work for me. I think it should just be a little bit more like tapered on the sides, or maybe these straps are just like a lot more wide set than these kinds of tops are usually. It accentuates like the wideness up here. Here's the off the shoulder top. And I think off the shoulder tops for me have the same problem that cold shoulder tops have. It accentuates the wideness of my shoulders too much. They kind of have to be a little bit more shaped in the torso to balance out. There has to be some sort of taper to give the sense of shape. The material does seem nice though. I do like the pattern of the lace. I think the placement of these flowers is probably not the best, but I do like that the hem is a little bit more interesting. Just for kicks, I'm gonna try the raised arm test, and yeah, it definitely failed on that regard. It's not gonna stay up. Here's the cold shoulder top. I really do like the print and the color. I think it works well for my skin tone. Cold shoulders are like a really difficult thing for me to find something that actually looks good on me because I have wide shoulders. They're also kind of rounded. Like this shape of it is like not working well for me. I think the combination of maybe the looseness and the cut like at an angle, and maybe like the shape of the collar and the boxiness of the rest of it. You do see that it is a little bit see-through, like you can see the top of the pants here. The necklace is a good length for a collar like this though. It's still on its longest length option. It'd be weird, I feel like, to be on the shortest length option. I feel like it'd be more like be almost like a choker. And this is the coral shirt, really cute, like tied in the front. I feel like more so than like in the back like this. I do worry that it is a little bit see-through. Like I'm wearing a nude colored bra and you can see the outline of it. And yeah, you can see the line of like the top of the pants here. I think that I like the idea of it. I think the things I don't really like, I like the vertical stripes and the color, but I think that this part, the fact that it's like a drop sleeve, makes my shoulders look wider than they are. They're already pretty wide, so I don't really need help in that department. Whew, we are back. Let's look at the style cards first. I kind of like to get an idea if I actually followed the instructions right on some of the pieces. Oh, and my stylist said that you can tie that top in either the front or the back. Look at the price list here. Total of $208, and if I buy all 5, then it'll be $156. I do appreciate that everything in here was kept under $50. I think that has only been done maybe once before. A couple items in the $30 range as well, so that's good. I feel like I would really like this as like just a sleeveless top. The cold shoulder element is unnecessary for me and somewhat unflattering. They could make like a sleeveless version of this. It might be a little bit cheaper too. And this necklace is $34, which is the same price as my other my gold statement necklace I got from them. So their necklaces seem to be priced around the same. One thing I wish this thing had was more of a taper among the lengths of the little elements here. Do you see how there's like 2 of the same length, 2 of the same length, and then 3 of the same length? It's not like they're gradually changing into like a slope. The length of this chain is really actually short. If you were to clip it like at this length, this is basically choker length, and I'm not sure that it's actually designed to be worn like that. Even at the longest length that it allows, it's still kind of on the short side, and I wish there was just a little bit more of a drop. I don't know if I feel like paying $34 and then having to find a chain extender on top of that. This might not be a contender either. And then as far as the other tops go, if they really fit well and weren't see-through, like the prices on here would be okay. I don't know if I'll be keeping anything from this box, but that's okay. Thank you to my stylist Holly. Just because I didn't keep anything doesn't mean you didn't do a great job. I'm excited to see what will come next, if there is a next time. That is all I had to say about this box. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this video, and remember to like and subscribe so you can see all my videos that come up about Stitch Fix and everything else that I talk about on this channel. I hope you guys are having a great summer. Remember to stay hydrated and wear sunscreen when you're outside, and until next time, I will see you guys then.